We've now printed off the gate mechanism, and as you can see, it's all gone together rather nicely. There's the motor in there, the quadrant gear, the drive. There's the adapter for the brass bar that will go up to be powering the gate, and underneath the micro switches for shutting the motor off. And while in the process, it seemed prudent to make a jig so we can work out, or we can drill in exactly the right place the mounting holes. So this bolt at the top here, if I could get it in focus, will go up through the layout to give the position, and then this piece here will go up against the bulkhead, which I'll show you in a minute underneath the layout, and that will give us the positions of where to drill the fixing holes, which are on the back of the motor, which will hold this absolutely plumb and in the right position. Thank you. Right, this is the drilling jig we've got. There's the hole in the baseboard, so all we do is that bolt just goes through there where the gate's going to be. I'll just need to put a set square here to check, but basically, as you can see, that'll be in position, and we can drill the 4 holes here for mounting the motor. And then the motor unit itself will fit there quite comfortably, and plenty of space around it underneath the baseboard. There you go.